Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create Telegram bot with no code. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Telegram app right here. And after opening our Telegram app, just go here on the search bar. So click this icon right here, and then search for bot father. And then click this one right here, and after clicking, click this button right here. After that, you will be sent with this message right here. So all we have to do is to type / and then type new bot. So click this one right here, and then after that, we will ask on what we will call our bot. So let's say, for example, we'll call our bot Together bot, and after that, just click send right here, and then after that, you will be asked what username your bot will have. So you can just put whatever username you would like. So let's say this for example, Together only bot, and after that, just click send right here. And after that, the bot is now created. So the next thing that we need to do is to copy this token so that we can access the HTTP API. So just click this link right here, or you can copy it right there, and then make sure that your token is secure and store it safely, because anyone can use that token, and if they have access for it, they can control your bot. So just make sure that you keep it safely, and after that, just go back here on the main page, then search for menu builder bot, and then click this one right here on the first, and after that, just click this start button right here, and after that, you will be asked to put language right here. If you're talking English, then click this English right here, but if you are speaking another language, which is located right here on the bottom, just click that language right there. So let's choose this one. We will click this one right here, and after that, click this manage bots right here, and after that, you will see this add menu bot right here, so just click it. And after that, paste the token key that we have copied from bot father. So this is my code right here, so your token will be different from me. So after that, just click send right here, and after clicking, this bot will now show up to your menu. So just click this bot right here, which says Together only bot, which what we named it. So just click Together bot. So just click it, and then click start. And after that, as you can see right there, if we go back right here on the main page, we now have the bot that we have created. So just choose the language that you want, and then you are now good to go. So you can add the buttons editor, posts editor, your balance, the admin, and etc. So if we click this buttons editor, you will be now on editing mode. So if you click add button right here, you'll be asked to put a name for your new button. So let's say, for example, we'll add menu right there, and then just click send right there. And then as you can see, the button is added to the actions of the bot. So if you click it right there, we will be taken back to the menu. So once you're done editing with this, just click this stop editor right there. And then if we click posts editor, you could add messages, pagination in editor, buttons editor, and if you're done editing, just click stop editor right here. And then if we click balance, then you will have the option to add change set, notify user, referral bonus, and then exit balance right here. Just click exit balance, and then if we click admin, we will have the mailing, statistics, advertisement, extensions, variables, bot setting, pagination, referral system, and so on our bot. So as you can see right there, if we go back right here, we will now have our bot for us only. So make sure that you don't share the key unless you wanted to. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.